So when you start to really get enthused by the idea, you'll do anything. You'll be going through risks and uncomfortable situations. You'll have the ideas. You'll go out and act. But we got to start feeling this. We got to say, I'm doing this. And forgetting about the situations around us. Okay? All right. We want to talk to ourselves and say ease, eager, happiness. Okay. So I'm going to put on some music. I encourage you to do a little rampage yourself. Just start, kind of wherever you are in the emotional ladder and work up to joy. Talk out loud. Be aware of how you feel. Be aware of your change in vibration. Just kind of start to smooth. There is no right way to say it. If you've never done this before, it's going to be a challenge. Just know that ahead of time. It will be maybe a little difficult. Okay? You won't know what to say. Oh my God, what do I say? What did Scott say? I don't remember what he said. Right? Just go from your top of the mind and just go wherever you have ideas and you ever have thoughts, just start to flow. Well, you can even say, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just going to talk, just like Scott was saying. It's just kind of talking out loud. Okay, I'm understanding this principle. Okay, well, he said, talk about feelings. I'm going to talk about feelings. Well, it does feel ease. Ooh, that does kind of feel good. It does feel ease. Yeah, actually, I'm on this call and it does feel ease, right? Just kind of milk that emotion a little bit. All right, so go ahead and practice here. Okay. Think about this too. If you're on a sports team and you watched a coach show you how to swing the bat, and he showed you every single week, but you never swung the bat. And then one day you got up to a plate during a game and you were there live and oh my God, how am I supposed to do this? And you swung the bat, but you did nothing like the coach was presenting, right? It's because we didn't practice. We didn't apply the idea. We didn't practice actually doing the motion, right? So same thing goes with this. Pay the price. Pay the price tonight. What's the price? Practicing, doing, applying, making yourself uncomfortable so you can grow. Okay. I get uncomfortable on these calls. Maybe you just don't know it. Maybe it just looks like it's natural. Okay. All right, let's do it. If you need some help, just type in the question box. I'll help you after we're applying this. All right. Can't see you guys, so I don't know where everyone is in the rampage. But that was exactly 2 minutes. Was everyone able to do it? Just give me a quick yes in the chat box if you're able to do it, even if it was comfortable, uncomfortable.